About this item: multiple charging outputs provide more options, features with AC/DC/USB outputs, 110 AC output, 200 W, 2 DC output, 2 QC 3.0 quick charge USB port and 1 USB ports, 2.4A auto. Power your smartphone, tablet, laptop, camera, light, drones, fans, in-car appliances, CPAP machine and more at any time. Kindly note that the power station cannot be charged and used at the same time. High performance and handy power source, 151 WH, 40800mAh, compact station is powerful enough to meet different kinds of electricity demands. Outdoor usage for home, travel, camping, backseat on long road trips. With a weight of 4.07 pounds and soft handle, we can easily put it in our backpack or car. Take to everywhere. Need power. Other unique design: 1. The standalone AC/DC provides easy operation when charging different devices. 2. Multifunction LCD display would show you the remaining energy/charge/discharge/AC output/DC output status. Ultra bright LCD screen let you know the status of battery pack. Even no light source. Camping. Triple rechargeable modes. Efficient solar generator. FlashFish power station is equipped with